gotta get out now. Gotta run from this. Here comes the shame, comes the shame. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Come back till I lose ground. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist. I'm gonna fly like a bird through the night, feel my tears when they dry. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. Oh, I'm holding on for dear life. Won't look down. Keep my glass full until the morning light. 'Cause I'm just holding on. Baby, I'm holding on for dear life. Won't look down. Keep my glass full until morning light. Oh, I'm just holding on for tonight. You know that was just warm up, right? I'm ready now. I'm ready. Yeah, and if you know this one, you gotta help me sing it. Ooh, and you don't know what you do when you do it to me. And I can save you from yourself, but I could offer you a new start. And I can take away your fears, but I could cut the lips of your broken heart. Do you want me to take you home, show you what my love can do? I do want to go to heaven with my arms around you. Take my breath away, if only you would stay. It's only you and I, that's the way we'll stay. I'll take you there to my sea.
imagine if sound, can you imagine if we can present opening acts like that all the time? That's true talent right there. Give it up one more time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Are you ready for showtime? Well, who are you here to see the most? Are you here to see Business Signal? Business Signal has never performed in these United States. Can you believe that? Are you here to see Tarrus Riley? Any Rocksteady fans? We're celebrating the 51st anniversary of Rocksteady Music. It only lasted 2.5 years, but it is, in my estimation, the most impactful part of our music. Would you agree? Okay. Reggae is nice, but Rocksteady better. Engineer Sheldon, you want it on the stage. Right now. Are you here to see Grammy winner, Miss Stephanie Mills? Stephanie Mills was born and raised in Brooklyn, spent some time in Mount Vernon in Westchester County, but she has never performed inside Royal Wilkins Park. Can you believe that? Grooving in the Park is going to make history today. This multi Grammy win